Hey everybody, today we're going to be opening up this, which is my brand new camcorder. I'm going to be using this to record my videos, so hopefully it's pretty good. It's the Sony Handycam DCR-SX33. It's a silver one. Some information. Works with iMovie, etc. Other information there. And continuous recording time. Just quite a lot. So, as you can see, it's got 60 times optical zoom, and I think it's got 2000 times digital zoom, which is pretty amazing. It's got face detection, video light, direct copy, touch panel, face index. Obviously I'm going to have to read up on all this thing, but that's some of the things that it's got. Advised carry case. I'm going to have to look on eBay for a carry case or something because I couldn't find one. So, oh, it's exciting. And there's nothing in the box. I'm only joking. So, you get European guarantee documents. Don't forget to register your purchase. Just some accessories that you can buy for each camcorder. This one. Notes on using SD memory cards. Yeah. Handycam thing. The manual. And then not much in the box. This is your camcorder. Your adapter. The other part of the adapter, the block bit. This bit goes into your camera. Or into your battery, I should say. I think it just charges by the battery. And this is your... I think this is to go into your TV. Yeah. And then this is to connect it to your computer. And then this is your battery. That's if I don't drop it really. So that's what it looks like. So let's move on to the important bit, shall we? The camcorder itself. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. So it's got this strap, so it's easy to hold on to while you're recording. This flips out. You can turn it that way so you can see what you're recording, which is handy. Just what I need. So yeah, some of the other features on there as well. It's really well made because it's by Sony, and Sony are amazing. You can change it to photo or movie mode. And then this is zoom in and out. Yeah, 2000 times digital zoom. That's insane. So it's got a built-in lens cover as well, which is open and close. DC in, just to charge it, I think. Where your memory card goes, and obviously the battery goes in here. If I could put it in right. Ooh, there's some life in it. So you've got some other things on there as well. Lens cover might be closed. I'm not going to waste the battery on this, so going to close it for now. And yeah, that is my brand new digital camcorder. Thank you for watching, everyone.